Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. So we are live in Nnewi. Yes, it is called the commercial hub of Anambra State. So we are here today. We actually came into Nnewi trying to locate the new site for Nnamdi Azikiwe Teaching Hospital, abbreviation nnewi. So we had to, before you get to Oba Junction, there was a diversion you use as a road. Google Map just took us through and we found ourselves straight up at the hospital. So we left the hospital. I said, let me do a little drive around the town. Let me see what has changed so we could also cover Oba axis and show you guys what the environment looks like. If you walk here and there, you know, roads around we used to be very bad. I learned they are now better. They are now good. Example is where we are currently riding on now. So we'll be checking out some other sessions that I'm looking at for seriously that has been very, very bad when you're getting to the city center before the old site for the teaching hospital. Those